Later on in life, in 1966, Tolkien gave an interview and he's quoted as saying, "I was born with a talent for language, just as someone is born with a talent for music. As a small boy, I remember going on the train to Wales and seeing the name Ebu." Now that's good, you know, that's something. I just couldn't get over it. Not long afterwards, I invented my own languages, and we'll come to that.
Fundamentally, on the technology side, locating literature is going to work in two ways. That will be achieved by embedding QR codes within interpretation panels, or perhaps using image recognition software, which removes the need to have perhaps a slightly ugly QR code. You simply turn on the application, hold your phone up to an image. The image is recognised by the software, and that's the trigger to launch content which is available online. The second approach that we'll use for the Locating Literature project is more suited to these remote areas, these very rural areas in Wales that have little or no mobile network coverage. So what we're going to rely on in these areas is the People's Collection Wales Placebooks platform. And this platform allows members of the public to download and cache what are effectively digital guidebooks, hold them in storage on their device, on their iPad, iPhone or Android mobile phone, and then access that media, geolocated media, using which is location aware, using the GPS devices on their equipment. There are different screens on here. You've got three screens. One is a search screen, one is your online shelf. Now you need internet connectivity to be able to see that, but that's it allows you to see all the placebooks you've got stored against your user account online. And then you have a downloads page, which is all the downloaded placebooks that you have held in the memory of your device. I choose to open one of the placebooks, so I'll choose that one. It opens the book, launches some media that's there on the front page, and on the phone it's a book type experience in that you swipe pages to access different content, audio, video, images, maps, trails, all geolocated. You tap on an item to view it, tap again to close it, switch page, tap on a map to view the map in more detail and see your position on it, tap it again to close it, and where there's video, tap on that video, and you should see the video start playing any minute now.